2026 na, bagong taon, bagong chances in life. At dahil catering is life, motherhood is lifer, and TikTok is lifest, finally natapos ko na rin ang trabaho at nagkaroon tayo ng time para bumisita sa mga kamag-anak. As this new year enters, I want to start my year with the verse from Colossians 3:23 to 24. And it says, "Whatever you do, work it all with your heart, as working for the Lord, not for human masters, since you know that you will receive an inheritance from the Lord as a reward." It is the Lord Christ you are serving. Mga Kamari-Chef, there are times when I really work so hard that I end up getting burnt out. There are times when we promise a certain amount of package to our clients and suddenly there is an inflation. There are also times where I am tempted to adjust the portioning or the quality of the food. And sometimes I'm afraid that the business might not earn enough for me to be able to pay the salaries of my team. Whenever there are certain fears na nabibuild up sa akin, I pray and lift it up to God. And I always go back to this verse. It always reminds me that whatever it is that I do in Spandies, that whatever the output of my food that I serve to my clients glorifies the Lord. So that in everything that we do, there is integrity. Dahil hindi sa tao ang respeto ko ay nasa Diyos. Hindi kami perfect. We do make mistakes as a team. Pero bawat isa sa amin sa team ay hindi nahihirapan umamin kapag nagkakamali because then again, we love God and we want to serve Him through the food that we are serving our clients. So may mga time mga Kamari-Chef na up ako, may mga time na actually mas maraming mga time na down ako. Siyempre sa social media, puro masasaya lang ang nakikita niyong napopost ko. Pero marami talagang mga oras, araw na takot kami magkamali. Kaya siguro mga Kamari-Chef, madali rin kaming patawarin ng mga kliyente namin na nasasabitan namin. Gawa ng yun nga, kasi yung mga mistakes namin ay hindi out of kadamutan, kagahamanan. It's really yung mga innocenteng mistakes. And because your heart is right with the Lord, the solution is provided by God. Kung kailangan namin palitan yung pagkain, if we need to make additional expenses just to resolve the issue, meron na kaming kakayahang gawin yun. Kaya nga nung sabi dun sa verse, you will receive an inheritance from the Lord. Sa sitwasyon namin, the solution is provided by God. Ang daming tunog sa background. Ayun lang mga Kamari-Chef, sana may natutunan tayong lahat. This video, pinakita ko lang yung life ko between the 25th up to the 31st. Para naman sa New Year, naglinis muna kami ng kitchen after namin ma-fulfill lahat ng mga orders. And then, nagulat ako, merong pa-steak pala sa freezer namin from EOS Batangas. Tapos, gumawa na ako ng ube halaya. Ito yung tanim naming ube. Tapos, nag-advance gawa na ako ng buko salad 2 days ago at saka yung macaroni namin. Tapos, may tirang lasagna. So, ayun lang. Happy New Year, everyone! Bye-bye!